Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a career that's been making waves in the tech world, Salesforce Business Analyst. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can a Salesforce Business Analyst make $200,000 a year? Well, the short answer is, it's 100% possible. And in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can get there, even if you're just starting out. I've also placed the link to SFBA training below this video, which is one of the best programs to become a Salesforce Business Analyst within 30 days. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Salesforce is one of the most powerful customer relationship management (CRM) platforms out there. It's used by companies across all industries, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, to manage everything from customer data to sales pipelines. But here's the thing, companies don't just need the software, they need people who can help them make the most out of it. And that's where a Salesforce Business Analyst comes in. In this video, I'll walk you through the key steps to becoming a highly paid Salesforce Business Analyst, the skills you need to develop, and how you can position yourself to command those six-figure salaries. Trust me, if you've been looking for a career that offers both high demand and high pay, this is one path you don't want to overlook. Ready to learn how to make $200,000 as a Salesforce Business Analyst? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Master Salesforce and get certified. Let's start with the basics. To be a Salesforce Business Analyst, you've got to be an expert in Salesforce. This means getting hands-on experience with the platform and understanding all its capabilities, from managing data to automating business processes. If you're brand new to Salesforce, don't worry. It's something you can learn through training, practice, and certifications. Getting certified is a huge part of leveling up your Salesforce skills and proving your expertise to potential employers. Salesforce offers a range of certifications, but the most important ones for business analysts include 1. Salesforce Administrator, 2. Salesforce Business Analyst, 3. Salesforce Platform App Builder, 4. Salesforce Advanced Administrator. These certifications show that you know how to configure Salesforce, automate processes, and work with the various tools that make Salesforce such a powerful platform. Employers love seeing these certifications on your resume because it proves you have the technical know-how to make Salesforce work for their business. Now, here's the key. The more specialized certifications you have, the more valuable you become. For example, if you specialize in a certain Salesforce product like Marketing Cloud or Service Cloud, you can command higher salaries. According to Salesforce, certified professionals can earn 20% more than their non-certified counterparts. So if you're aiming for that $200K salary, start by stacking up those certifications. Step 2. Gain hands-on experience. Certifications are important, but nothing beats real-world experience. To get to the top of the Salesforce Business Analyst salary range, you'll need to put your skills to the test in actual business settings. This is where you start to develop the practical knowledge that separates the good analysts from the great ones. If you're just starting out, don't be afraid to take on smaller roles to build up your experience. Internships, contract positions, or even volunteering for projects can give you the hands-on experience you need. The goal here is to immerse yourself in the platform, work on real projects, and understand how Salesforce can solve business problems. As you gain more experience, start to specialize in a specific industry or business area. Salesforce is used across a wide range of industries: healthcare, finance, retail, you name it. By becoming an expert in one of these industries, you increase your value and can negotiate higher salaries. Employers want someone who understands not just Salesforce, but how to apply it to their specific business needs. For example, if you've worked on Salesforce implementations for a healthcare company, you'll have unique insights into how hospitals or clinics can use Salesforce to streamline patient management or compliance. That kind of specialized experience is highly valuable, and it's what will help you climb up to that $200K salary mark. Step 3. Develop your business analysis skills. A huge part of what makes a Salesforce Business Analyst successful isn't just their technical skills, it's their ability to understand business needs and translate them into solutions within Salesforce. This means developing solid business analysis skills is just as important as mastering the platform. As a Salesforce Business Analyst, you're the bridge between the business side and the technical side of the organization. You'll be responsible for gathering requirements, analyzing business processes, and identifying areas where Salesforce can make a difference. The more effective you are at this, the more valuable you'll be to any organization. Here are some key business analysis skills you'll need to hone. 1. Requirements gathering. Understanding how to gather and document business requirements is crucial. You'll be working with stakeholders from different departments, and it's your job to make sure everyone's needs are met. 2. Process mapping. This involves mapping out current business processes and identifying areas where Salesforce can streamline operations. It's about finding inefficiencies and designing better workflows. 3. Stakeholder Management. You'll be working with a wide range of people from executives to end users, and managing those relationships is key. Good communication skills and the ability to present solutions in a clear and concise way are essential. 4. Problem solving. Ultimately, your job is to solve problems. Whether it's automating a manual process, improving customer data management, or boosting sales efficiency, you need to be able to think critically and come up with creative solutions. As you develop these business analysis skills, you'll become more than just a Salesforce expert. You'll become a strategic partner for the organization. This is the level you need to reach to justify those higher salary demands. Step 4. Network and build your personal brand. Now, let's talk about something that can make a huge difference in your career. Networking and personal branding. To get to that 200K level, it's not just about what you know, it's about who knows you. Building a strong professional network can open doors to higher-paying opportunities and help you stay at the top of your game. Here's how you can start building your personal brand. 1. Join Salesforce communities. Salesforce has an incredibly active community of professionals, and you should be a part of it. Attend local Salesforce user groups, participate in online forums like the Salesforce Trailblazer community, and engage with other Salesforce professionals on LinkedIn. Networking with others in the Salesforce ecosystem can lead to new job opportunities, partnerships, or mentorship. 2. Speak at conferences or webinars. Once you've built up some experience, share your knowledge with others. Speaking at industry events or webinars is a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your field. Plus, it'll get your name out there and you never know who might be in the audience, a potential employer or a recruiter looking to fill a high-paying position. 3. Create content. Another great way to build your brand is by creating content around Salesforce and business analysis. Whether it's blog posts, LinkedIn articles, or even YouTube videos, sharing your insights can help position you as a thought leader. The more value you provide to the community, the more people will see you as an expert, and experts get paid top dollar. Remember, companies are more likely to offer higher salaries to people who have a strong reputation in the industry. So, make sure you're putting yourself out there and connecting with others in the Salesforce space. Step 5. Leverage the gig economy for extra income. One of the best things about being a Salesforce business analyst is that you don't have to limit yourself to just one job. If you're aiming for that 200K salary, you can also take advantage of freelance or contract opportunities on the side. The gig economy is booming, and Salesforce expertise is in high demand. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and even Salesforce's own App Exchange offer freelance opportunities where you can provide consulting, implement Salesforce solutions, or help businesses optimize their existing Salesforce setup. These side gigs can add significant income to your annual salary, pushing you closer to that 200K mark. Not only do these extra projects help you earn more, but they also build up your portfolio of work, making you even more valuable for future full-time roles or contracts. And once you start working with multiple clients, you'll get a reputation as the go-to expert for Salesforce solutions. So don't be afraid to diversify your income streams. Whether you're doing part-time consulting or taking on short-term projects, the gig economy can be your best friend on the road to a 200K salary. Step 6. Negotiate your salary like a pro. Here's the final step that a lot of people overlook. You need to know how to negotiate your salary. Even if you've got all the skills, certifications, and experience, if you don't negotiate properly, you could be leaving money on the table. Negotiation is key to hitting that 200K goal. Before you walk into any salary discussion, make sure you've done your homework. Research the average salary for Salesforce business analysts in your region and industry. Use websites like Glassdoor or Payscale to get a sense of what others in your field are earning. You should also consider the size of the company you're negotiating with. Larger companies with bigger budgets are often more willing to pay top-tier salaries for top-tier talent. When negotiating, don't just focus on the base salary. Think about other factors like bonuses, stock options, and other benefits that can increase your total compensation package. You'll also want to highlight your unique skills, certifications, and any specializations that make you stand out from the competition. The more value you can demonstrate, the stronger your case for a higher salary. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. And if you've followed the steps we've outlined in this video, mastering Salesforce, gaining experience, and building your brand, you'll have all the leverage you need to negotiate a salary that reflects your expertise. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make $200,000 a year as a Salesforce Business Analyst. You will find the link of SFBA training below this video. If you follow these steps, from getting certified and gaining experience to building your network and negotiating like a pro, you'll be well on your way to commanding those top-tier salaries. The Salesforce ecosystem is booming, and there's never been a better time to jump in, hone your skills, and start making serious money. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more career and tech tips. Let me know in the comments which part of the journey you're most excited about, and I'll see you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.